tips on trading and business coach pros. You know, I just want to have a little casual talk with you today. It's all about priorities, okay? Let me just start out that way. I've been trading for quite a while now, and frankly, I had to go through the gauntlet of the trading world to learn how to trade successfully. I would never wish on anyone else the pain, the frustration, and the losses that I had to go through to learn how to trade. And I've had a lot of them. I didn't understand the true priorities that I needed to understand when I started trading. I was naive, I was excited, I saw what others wanted me to see who were interested in making a quick buck on me. I was just like the vast majority of you out there who see the Forex market, you hear about it, and you usually hear about it from an infomercial on television, or you hear about it from something online, or from some introducing broker who's tracking you down to try and get you to open an account with a broker that he makes a commission from every trade you enter. But you rarely are going to hear the true priority and expectation that you need to know about when you start looking into the Forex market. It's a great market. I don't want to scare you off necessarily, but I do want you to know the realities of it. This market is very risky. You know, go to the NFA websites, go to the CFTC websites, go to the websites of those that are trying to crack down on brokers that are not necessarily ethical, you know, taking a position against your trades in a conflict of interest. Go to those people and they'll tell you all about the risks of this market, and so will I. I don't ever want to be accused of being someone who's going to try and lead you down the primrose path into thinking that the Forex market is easy and simple and a get-rich-quick scheme, because it's not. You must understand that there is tremendous value and potential in learning how to be a successful trader. There's a great deal of money that can be made in the Forex market. But if your priorities are backwards, as what most brokers and introducing brokers and software salesmen are going to tell you, you're going to be putting a lot of money into live accounts up front, software, this and that are supposed to help you learn how to trade quickly, easily, with little effort, and to make a whole lot of money in a hurry. Don't believe it, okay? Don't believe it like I did. Don't fall for that trap, because it is a trap. Here's the reality. What I've learned after coming through the gauntlet, okay? Take this and use it to your benefit so you can avoid the losses and the pain and the frustration that I went through. What I've learned is that you've got to switch your priorities completely opposite of what the vast majority of brokers, software salespeople, and IBs, meaning introducing brokers, are going to tell you. They're going to hand you education for free. They're going to hand you charts for free. They're going to hand you trading platforms for free. Because their intent and the way they're going to make money off of you is to get you to open up a live account with real money sooner, as soon as possible, and start trading it. Because they know the odds in the market from people who do that is that they're going to lose their accounts within 45 to 90 days or less. And the broker will trade against you on the other side, and they'll make not just the spread fees that they charge you for entering a trade, but they'll also make the money you lose, because they'll be taking the trade position on the opposite side of your trade. Don't follow that advice. Don't follow what the brokers will tell you. Do just opposite and put your money into education. Put your money into proper education. Put your money where it's really going to pay off in the end. There is no free lunch in the Forex trading market. There's no free lunch in any trading market. Don't believe the guy that tries to tell you that there is. Trading is challenging. Trading is worthwhile. Trading is satisfying if you have the proper education first. Where do we get that proper education? You're not going to get it from some fly-by-night software salesman at a seminar that tries to lead you to believe that it's going to be simple and easy and you can do it quick and everything's going to tell you exactly what to do and you can be rich in a month. That's not true, okay? It's just not true. Don't fall for it. You can get proper education, however, from people that are already trading, who've already been through the gauntlet, who've got the scars to show it. You know, they've learned the hard way. Learn from them. They won't lie to you. Get education from the source, the people that are already learning to do it right. That's what I had to do. I finally learned who were my friends and who were not. The mentors who were learning how to trade and offering me true education were my friends. They didn't teach me everything I know from one source. I had to go through several different sources to be able to finally get all the fine points of education and the combination of education that I needed. And that combination is vital. And then once I had the combination, then I had a real chance of becoming a very successful trader. Then I could take all of those pieces and start fitting them together to make up a whole. And once that happened, then I became the strategist, and a darn good one. Then I could write my own strategies. Strategies that have been producing results that are, quite frankly, unbelievable. I don't even dare tell you the results sometimes because they're so unbelievable. I talk with traders out there who still live in the philosophy that if you're going to trade, you can never expect more than, 20% return on your money annually. It's a bunch of bunk, okay? But if you're not educated properly, if you don't know how to use the strategies and put them together, and if you don't get them from someone who's already done it, they're probably right. And that's probably all you'll ever see. So here's the last thing I would want to say in this little clip. Don't put your money into live trading and softwares and things up front that cost you a lot of money and get you poor or little results or losses in the end. Put your money into education. Get educated from people who've already been there, who already know it, who've already been through the gauntlet, and have the results that they can show you to prove it. That's where you want to put your money. Thanks a lot. This is Stephen's Story with Tips on Trading. Take care.